this is the cream. I mix it like that and then I apply it. Hello guys, how are you all doing today? A very, very happy new year to you. Believe it or not, this is actually my first video of the year. Thank you so much for joining. Now, our video today is about QEI Extreme Shine. Extreme Shine Carrot. Oh yes. I bought the pack. And I will tell you why I did that. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Chikelly and this is Chikelly Beauty. Chikelly is a certified esthetician and Chikelly Beauty is about skincare. So, before the end of this year, believe it or not, I noticed that my skin is getting a little bit darker than what normally my natural skin color. And I didn't know if it was like hormonal or skincare product that I was using. Okay, they fade out brightening face and night. That's what I use on my face, and then on my body I just use anything really. I just use any moisturizer that hydrates on my body. But for some reason I noticed that I'm a naturally fair person, so this color that I have is not my natural skin color. So I need to get something that I know that I will use, that I need to buy a skincare product that I trust. I know that does not have anything that's got to do with bleaching, hydroquinone, that will just bring back my natural skin color. And I ran to QEI Plus website. Okay, I ran to their website because I've used the I think this video here, I've used this particular brand before, this particular product before, and it was good on my skin. But for some reason, I think the shop here sells the fake one. So the last time I went to check, the lady told me, you know, they banned it in Ireland, they don't allow it here anymore. And I was wondering, why is that? Why would it be allowed in France and not in Ireland? Because they are all the same European Union. But I later kind of said to myself, maybe she's not selling the original. So I had to go directly to the website to order. Okay, now I bought the Extreme Shine Carrot range. Okay, the Extreme Shine Carrot range. Now, for those of you that don't know about this, I'm going to talk about what I think of it. How has it been on my skin since I started using it, and how I miss it. So stay put. QEI Plus is from the company, their main office is in France, Paris. Okay, and this particular company make loads and loads of range, as you can see here on my left hand side. They make loads and loads of range. They have the lightening range, they have the brightening range, they have the baby range. Believe it or not, they make different kinds of products. Okay, and for people with skin of color, it's perfect. Their skincare product is perfect. And the reason I bought this Extreme Shine is because I want something that will keep my natural skin color. I don't want anything that will change my natural skin color. Just something that will hydrate my skin, keep my natural skin color, and also give me that natural glossy glow, radiant glow that my skin usually gives. Okay, so This particular brand, why I bought this one, because some of you will be wondering, why did you go for this range? Okay, this is their lightening range. Remember, it doesn't bleach, does not have hydroquinone. Yeah, the good news, it does not have hydroquinone. So this is their extreme shine carrot range, and we all know that any skincare product that has carrot is an ingredient that's for lightening. Okay, they have licorice. This particular product has, I'm going through their ingredients. Okay, it has licorice extract, and licorice is another natural lightening agent. Okay, they have, this product has ascorbic acid, and remember I told you guys, whenever you want to know any skincare product, you look at the ingredients. Where the ingredient is listed on the product will tell you the quantity the ingredient has in the product, because they can list everything. It has this, it has that, but find where this is where the ingredient is. Find where licorice extract is, ascorbic acid, lactic acid. If it's like on the last part of the ingredient list, that means it's like a very small concentration. Okay, but licorice extract is like here in the beginning, so it has a large concentration of licorice extract, which is perfect. Licorice extract will not bleach your skin, it will just lighten your, glow your skin. They have the ascorbic acid, which is another lightening agent. Our ascorbic acid is all vitamin C. There is lightening agent. They also have glycerin, and glycerin is hydrating ingredient. Okay, this was why I bought it, because I looked at the ingredient before I bought it. Now let's talk about what I think, and then I will tell you how to mix it. I don't want this video to be too long. So I bought the pack. This is the price of the pack here. Okay, and the pack contains this lotion, the Extreme Shine lotion, is 500 ml. So you buy one, you get one free, one of the lotion for free in the pack. Okay, now this is the Extreme Shine Lightening Balm, as you can see, which I use as a day face cream. It has the Extreme Shine Carrot Serum. This is the serum here. Okay, it has the Extreme Shine Lightening, the exfoliating soap. So as you can see, I've been using the soap. Okay, this is what the soap looks like. All right, and then last but not the least, it has the Extreme Shine Face Night Cream. All right, so let me say this, because I don't want this video to be too long. I have seen a lot of video on YouTube where they will tell you how to mix this and mix that. This is how I use my own, because I don't like all this mixing. I'm always conscious of all these mixing things. How I use my own is, this is my day serum, okay, for my face. It's called the balm. So what I do is I put 2 pumps of serum on my hand. I use it on my face first, okay, and then I put this on top. This is how I use it. I don't mix, no. Now the same with the night one. Okay, I pump the serum on my hand, apply it on my face first, which is the right way to use serum. Sometimes you have to even wait for 1 or 2 minutes before I use the cream. So this is what the cream looks like. Okay, I have makeup on my face. This is what the cream looks like. See, it dissolves very easily. Okay, and this is the day cream, and this is what the day cream is like when you put it on your face. You see, there is this glow that it gives. And let me also show you the serum. The serum is like clear. It does not, it gives really beautiful glow. Can you see? See the beautiful glow that is given on my skin. Ooh, look at that. Look at the glow that is given on my skin. Now, with the lotion, I don't mix with serum like people I've seen videos where people are mixing, put it in a jar, mix, because I try not to cause oxidation, because when the product is oxidized, it will spoil it. Okay, remember it has lightening ingredients, so be very careful how you mix. So what I do is I pump the serum, 1 or 2 pump on my hand, and then I pump this is the cream here. Okay, I mix it like that, which is the best way really, and then I apply it. This is what it feels like. It's a little bit thick, which I like. It's a little bit thick, and then after some time it dissolves. See, look at my skin. This is what my skin looks like after. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, see my hand. This is what my hand looks like. So it's nice. Okay, it's very nice. So this is how I use it. This is how I use the product. I don't do the mixing in a jar and then turning it. I did not buy the glycerin because the lotion already has glycerin in it, so I don't need to buy the glycerin. And this particular lotion, you don't even need glycerin, because the lotion is already has a hydrating ingredient, which is the glycerin, so you don't need the glycerin anymore. So I didn't go looking for buying glycerin. And I already have a facial toner and a facial cleanser, which I use, which is okay. I don't need to buy everything, QEI plus toner and all that. So maybe I'll try the toner in the future, or maybe I will try the glycerin in the future, but I don't need the glycerin because it's already hydrating. Like, if this camera is not doing my skin any justice. Now, I have been using it now for roughly about 2 weeks, and I can tell you that I've seen a lot of I've noticed a huge transformation on my skin. My skin doesn't look that dry look in the morning when I wake up after using the serum and the face cream, and I just get this glow on my face because I just love the product, the way it feels on my skin, and it did not break me out. You know how you use new skincare product, and if you're introducing something new to your skin, it breaks you out. This particular one didn't break me out. I've not had any rashes, nothing. So do I recommend it? Yes. But if you want to get the original one, buy directly from the website. Okay, this is their link here on this video. Buy directly from the website. Don't go buying in any shop. Buy directly from the website, and you also get the lotion for free. Who doesn't like free thing? Who doesn't like free thing? I do. I like free. I like free thing, and the prices are much cheaper on the website. Sometimes they do sales. Sometimes because I bought it during Christmas period, so they I got the lotion for free. The lotion like 500 ml. I got it for free, and the lotion is so thick, so it will last you for a very long time. And it's also good for people of color. In Europe here, it's so hard to find something. So I'm going to be using this, at least, to be honest, all through this year. This is going to be my so you'll be seeing a lot of videos on QEI. I may try other of their range, but for now, I'm sticking to this, which is good on my skin. I'm sticking to it. So this is what I think about the product. The first thing is, it will not bleach your skin. Okay. The second one is, it will give you a very, very natural glow. Very natural, radiant glow. It will give your skin a very natural, radiant glow. And if you want it to, if you want to get the best results from using it, make sure you use it with the serum. Okay, make sure you use it with the serum. And also make sure that you're not mixing, too many mixing. just the way I use it. Just use it the way I use it. I've told you, it's so simple. You don't have to mix two of the different products together. It doesn't make sense. So I use it based on how I was taught in my beauty school, how to use serum and any product. I wasn't taught to be mixing. No, I was not. So I use it like that, and it's working for me. But do what works for you. So much, my favorite people. Leave a comment below in the comment section. Have you used it? Which of their range did you use? And how did you find it on your skin? Is it something that you love? Did it treat your skin right, or did it not treat your skin right? Which range is your favorite? If you've used it before, which of the range is your favorite? Drop a comment below in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite people. I hope you've subscribed, I hope you've liked this video, and I hope you have pressed the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.